Our project in Springburn is currently seeing 6 25-storey tower blocks undergo a £25 million retrofit project to upgrade its heating system and improve fire safety. These blocks were built in the 1960s and the existing heating systems are nearly 20 years old. Our work will see the blocks benefit from the installation of a new district heat network and will make them some of the most energy efficient tower blocks in the UK. The air source heat pumps will be mounted on the roof of the tower blocks, supported on a Bigfoot system to spread the load. The pump sets installed will be capable of circulating up to 2,000 litres of water per second around the building. This low temperature heat network is being controlled by a cutting-edge artificial intelligence platform, which will regulate temperatures to meet the demands of the building, operating between 45 to 55 degrees Celsius. From the plant room, holes are being cored through each of the drying rooms on all 24 floors to allow the district heat main to be run alongside the new boosted cold water main, fire sprinkler, pipework and electrical containment. Alongside installing the new heating systems, our expert team has also been providing residents with one-to-one support and advice on how to use the systems, including how they can work to reduce their heating bills and keep their homes warmer. This has led to a significant reduction in heating bills for residents, working towards getting them out of fuel poverty and hugely improving their quality of life. The tower blocks have already benefited from the retrofit of external wall insulation to reduce heat loss through the build fabric. In one case, one resident is now saving over £400 per quarter on her energy bills and told our team that her house is warmer than ever before. Overall, this project will save 684,000 kilograms of CO2 and will reduce electricity consumption by 70%, placing less demand on the electrical network and also making heating bills cheaper for tenants. The work involved in this huge project was possible due to receiving funding from the Scottish Government's Social Housing Net Zero Heat Fund. We believe that if works like this can be funded and replicated across the country, we will begin to see life-changing alterations in both social and public housing and the way that energy is used.